Allahumma barik wa salli wa sallim nahmadu wa nusalli ala rasulil karim amma ba'. Rasulullah SAW said the contrast between a person who glorifies Allah Ta'ala and one who does not remember him is like that between the living and the dead. Nabi SAW said the contrast between a person who glorifies Allah Ta'ala and one who does not remember him is like that between the living and the dead. Life is dear to all and everyone fears death. The Nabi SAW meant to say that one who does not remember Allah Ta'ala, though bodily alive, is spiritually dead, and his life is but worthless. The lover says, my life of loneliness is no life. His is the life who lives in constant with the beloved. Some scholars have stated that the example refers to the condition of the heart. The heart that remembers Allah Ta'ala is really alive, while the one that is not is described as dead. Some scholars say that the contrast is in respect of gain and loss. A man who teases a zakir is as if he teases a living being, and will be avenged for this teasing and will suffer for it. One who ill-treats the neglectful, ill-treats the dead body, which cannot avenge himself. Some Sufi says that the hadith refers to the eternal life of zakirs, because those who glorify Allah Ta'ala constantly with sincerity never really die, but instead remain spiritually alive even after passing away from this world. The zakirs also enjoy a special life after death, like the martyrs described in an ayah of the Quran. Nay, they are alive in the eyes of their sustainer. Surah Al-Imran ayat 169. Al-Hakim Al-Tirmizi rahimullah writes, zikir dampens the heart and softens it. A heart that is without zikir becomes dry and hard due to the excessive heat of greed and evil desires. All parts of the body likewise become stiff and abstain from submission to Allah Ta'ala. If you try to bend them, they break like a dry piece of wood, which can be used as firewood only. May Allah give us tawfiq to put all this into practice and convey to others. Subhanallahi wa bihamdihi, subhanakallahumma bihamdika, asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun. Wassalamun ala mursalin, alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Taqabbalallah.